Hey y'all, oh my gosh, it seems like it has been forever since I have been on YouTube. You guys know YouTube was my thing, but TikTok has taken over, short form videos have taken over, and so much has happened in life, you guys. I can't even say it all in this video, but I did want to come to you and show you this unit that I got. I'm trying to get back on my wig reviews and things like that, so let's get right to it. So I am wearing the half wig STUNNA right now, and if you've been anywhere on social media, half wigs are definitely coming back in style, especially the ones that have a natural, kinky, realistic texture to it. And this is definitely an oldie but goodie. And this wig by any means is not new. It's not like brand new. It has been available for a while, but I am just now getting my hands on it. And I must say, this is one of the better synthetic wigs I have worn in a long time. So let's go ahead and jump right into the details and show you guys how I installed this unit. This is the card that came with it. So it's actually an Outre quick weave, and this is STUNNA in color number 2. My hair is not jet black. It definitely has brown tones to it. So the color number 2 works perfectly for me. 4 would have been too light, and 1B would have been, 1B would have been too dark. 1 definitely would have been too dark, but 1B even would have been too dark. But this 2 works perfectly, and yeah, it's very light. It's not too long. Now I did cut the ends just a little bit with my little razor, like eyebrow razor. I do feel like it's better to cut with this versus shears, like hair shears. It could work, but the ends are going to be a lot more blunt, and I feel like the razor, it's going to give it a nice, like, I don't know, layered cut or something like that. But yes, I did just film a TikTok video on this. If you want to follow me on TikTok, it's also CutiePie88 there. But yes, this is her. This is how long she is. Ooh, excuse my little thing. This is how long she is. And like I said, I cut maybe this much off. And it's a beautiful light wave. The curls, when you comb them, it does seem like the curls like kind of disappear. And I do feel like, I don't know, I'm learning that the paddle brushes, like the bristle brushes, are not very good with synthetic wigs. I prefer to comb them with a regular comb. So I feel like, I don't know, the wig gets less frizzy when you do it with a comb. But I am relaxed, and you guys, as you can see, it's kind of sliding back because my hair is so silky, it's so fine. I need a really good anchor braid to keep it from sliding back. When you have fine hair, you want to have the wig as close to your leave out as possible, so more like that. You don't want like a big gap, because then it's going to show. But my hair is just so fine, it's oily and it's sliding back. That's why it's not really gripping. But that is definitely a tip. Have the wig as close to your leave out as possible. Flip out methods are definitely coming back in style. Ladies are doing less lace with the middle part. They want that side flip over Hollywood look, and this unit can definitely give it to you. You can definitely cut a little bit more layers into the front if you want. Definitely use that razor comb and kind of like frame your face so the layers in the front aren't too long, and I feel like that just gives more realistic. And just this texture is amazing. It's not silky. Now I did shoot, I did spray this hair with dry shampoo, and let me show you the dry shampoo that I use. It's by Not Your Mother's, and it's called Beach Babe. This smells very good. I got it from Ulta Beauty, and this is just a little travel size can. I feel like this hair is going to need a little bit of dry shampoo just to take that baby doll shine out of it. But make sure your hair is up to the same like sheen as the hair, because if your hair is dry and the wig is shiny, it's just not going to look right. Make sure your hair is just as shiny. Yeah, so all I did was leave out a little bit of my hair, and I did hit it with the hot comb just a few times, not too much. I'm learning to not use a flat iron as much on my hair. I feel like a hot comb doesn't give you as much heat damage. I may be wrong, but my hot comb is only set on the 5 setting when I do it, and that's enough for my hair. But I am relaxed, so I don't need a lot of heat to get my hair like pressed. But if you're natural, if you have a thicker hair texture, you're going to need more heat. but I feel like that is better than me squeezing my hair and frying my leave out between two, you know, flat iron plates. But it's very gorgeous, very, very nice. You can even wear like a headband with these and make it like a half wig headband look. Is really nice. But I'm gonna take it out and show you guys how easy it is to install. Okay, so here is the wig off my head. And this is brand new. I literally just opened it today. Like I said, I was recording a TikTok, so I did trim the ends a little bit, but this is brand new. The only thing that has been sprayed on it is the dry shampoo. So light curls, the texture is wonderful. It's like a light yaki, and it does have a comb here. And when I tell you this unit is very, very comfortable, I do wish it had a few side combs like here and here to grip it, to help it from sliding back. But as long as you have the anchor braid at the top where this comb can go into, it should be nice and secure. But yeah, she is gorgeous. She is Hollywood. She is a statement. But I do feel like this could be worn every day as well because it's really light. But yeah, so as you can see, I don't have necessarily an anchor braid. My braids are going back, so that's why the comb slides back. I really needed a braid across the front, but it's very simple to install. So you just want to make sure this comb goes here. And pull it down around the back of your head, and make sure you put the comb around your nape. And then like pull the sides of the wig up because it's going to be pretty far back. Like right here, like I wish it was combs here to kind of grip it to keep it from sliding. Like here, the wig easily slides back, so you're gonna have to pull it up. But it's a very comfortable cap. It's very, very comfortable cap, I will say. And just bring it around and kind of like fit it to your head. It does have adjustable straps. And then that's it. When they say quick weave, they do mean quick. And I feel like because I have fine hair, I am gonna need a little bit more leave out because as you can see, it's sliding back. Either more leave out or I'm really gonna need that anchor braid for the comb to stick into because it just is being stubborn and it's sliding back. But as you can see, it blends great with relaxed hair as well. And it's a great protective style, so it's very, very quick. And STUNNA, I got this off of Amazon, and it was really affordable. I think it was under $40. So the link will be in the description if you like it, but I love this unit. Super, super, look how easy that was. That is crazy how easy that was to put this on. Here is the side. Very, very pretty. This texture is so light, it's amazing. I'm gonna try to turn around. I'm literally sitting on my bed, so. It's full. I love the density, but it's not crazy. It's not crazy thick to where it's too much to manage, which I really, really love. And yeah, that is it. I can show you guys how it'll look with like a headband on. Let me grab one real quick. So I got this wide headband from Amazon as well. I wanted the really, really wide ones instead of the thinner ones, if I can figure out how to flip this thing. So you can definitely turn this unit into a very, very cute, quick style if you want to go even like work out. Or I don't work out, so I need to. That's not a flex saying that I don't work out. But like you can use this for a sweatband, like a quick style if you need to like throw it in a ponytail and go work out or something. But very, very cute. The headband style is coming back in style. These are the wide ones, like I said. These are coming back in style too, the wide ones instead of the thin ones. But this is cute. Like you can still fold this into a smaller size if you want. It's a mess because I really can't see it on my camera. But you know what I mean. You can fold it, you can adjust the size. And this is a cute, comfy look if you gotta run some errands or something. Very, very simple to do with a half wig. So that's why I love it. And it's so cute. It gives like, I don't know, retro vibes. I don't know, this is really cute. But without a headband, it eats as well. And it is just so pretty. So if you guys are interested in STUNNA, like I said, the link will be below for this unit by Outre. And then if you like the wide headbands too, I got so many other colors. But yeah, visit my TikTok and Instagram if you guys want to see more pictures and videos of this unit, and let me know how you like it by leaving a comment below. Make sure you rate with a thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel. All right, let me know if you would like to see more videos of synthetic units, and I'll catch y'all later. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.